important step, I think, in a long road to building strategic military and economic alliances in the region.
Of course, if there were, in fact, a carrier group in Cameron Day, South China Sea, you would have on either side of it massive American force.
That's why it's a red line for China. So we've got to be very, very careful about that. But on the other hand, China has not been very careful about bullying the Philippines and the Vietnamese, bullying Japan. I mean, let's not forget in 2012 there were riots in over 100 Chinese cities denouncing both Japan and the U.S. for China, for Japan basically